Hello viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. How to choose a virtual data room, a guide by ShareVault. A virtual data room is cloud-based repository of information employed for sharing sensitive documents. During due diligence in a variety of applications included M&A transaction, fundraising, loan syndication, and licensing and partnership deals. Companies can control its user or group of user level of access to the information based on their need to see that information and can revoke access at any time as situation evolved. Modern virtual data rooms employ a variety of features designed to facilitate and streamline the due diligence process as well as keep sensitive information secure. When choosing a virtual data room, look for this feature. Document control. At the heart of any modern virtual data room is the ability to secure and control sensitive documents while sharing them with third parties. A good virtual data room utilized enterprise-grade security then on computer and devices that are outside the control of the firm IT department. This security technology should be applied uniformly, regardless of whether documents are viewing on Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android device. Look for a data room that employs multi-level encryption, information right management (IRM), and advanced document permissioning and security policies. Dynamic watermarking. Based on the security policy you've defined, a VDR should have the ability to automatically apply dynamic watermark to each page of protected document. Watermark should be clearly visible. It not interface with the reliability of the underlying text. Look for watermark for that is customizable, so you can embed it dynamic information such as a user email address and IP address as well as the current date and time, providing a clean reminding to the reader that the content is confidential. Secure printing. In some cases, you may wish to grant the right to user to print a document. It will not allow the user to able to print to PDF. This is a subtitle but important additional security feature. Without it, you risk inadvertently granting user the ability to easily above a fragment of a revoked digital copy of the document on their computer. User activity monitoring. The ability to monitor user activity in the data room can be very useful in gathering deal intelligence. Look for data room that employs space level tracking of who's seen that and for how long. This information not only provide insanely information about your user review process but also generated details audit trails necessary for compliance, a security and reliable cloud infrastructure. To choose a virtual data room, it is important to determine if their servers as located as world-class centers and hosted by a high-end service provider. Ensure the provider is supplying comprehensive security and reliability throughout multiple levels of redundantly. Determine that serve and high availability with hot swappable component and that the data center infrastructure is designed for high reliability. A virtual data room should accelerate the due diligence process rather than impede or frustrate it. Look for a virtual data room that employs features that are designed to expedite the deal process, such as infinity scrolling, drag and drop publishing, automated PDF conversion, no restriction on file size, and the ability to path download. A virtual data room can be an essential tool for facilities, deal transaction, and other applications where it's impressive to share confidential documents securely. However, to choose the right virtual data room with the advanced functionality you require can be the difference between an efficiency streamlined process and one that is aggravating and compromise deal success. To choose a virtual data room, it is important to determine if their servers are located at world-class data center and hosted by a high-end service provider. Ensure the provider is supplying comprehensive security and reliability throughout multiple levels of redundancy. Determine that its servers are high available with hot shapeable component and that the data center infrastructure is designed for high reliability including reduced network connectivity, power system, cooling system, router and cabling. A virtual data room should accelerate the due diligence process rather